Oh.
I think he's gonna enjoy talking. Do you?
Yeah. Oh! Oh, you scared me with that dinosaur. Don't do that again. Scare Mama.
Oh no!
Oh! Do it to Mama.
Oh no!
Oh! You goofball. You're so silly. What is with that? What are you doing?
It's like he prepares and then it comes out. Do dinosaurs do that?